You want to see what I did today, Amira?
Sure.
And voila!
Oh my gosh. That looks terrible.
You look terrible.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today will be our kitchen renovation series, part 1. If you'd like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and get started.
Alright, you guys, I'm so sorry if you hear the cars in the background, but I have my window open because it's really hot in my room at the moment. So, we're going to get started. Okay, so here you'll see me taking off the doors to the cabinets. I'm just drilling out. They're screwed in with screws, so I'm just taking the doors off with my drill, handing them to my 2 nieces who love to make a few appearances in this video. They are just taking the doors and putting them to the side for me. I think I might end up saving these doors to see if I can maybe refurbish them or resell them or just use them for another project that I have coming up. So basically that's what you're going to see in this first clip. Okay, so now I'm moving on to the upper cabinets. I don't know why I am getting up this step ladder like a senior citizen, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. So I'm just going to continue handing those cabinets to my nieces. Their names are Alexis and Aaliyah. They are both 7 years old. They love to help out around the house, and they're just always so curious about what their auntie is doing. They always like to come and look at the projects that I'm doing around the house. They're like, "What are you doing?" But all the time, like, "Can I help?" And especially Alexis, she's super helpful. You'll see her a lot in this video.
Let me see the other one. I grabbed the other small one. What's the other one? The small one.
Oh, Lord.
Oh my god. See,
I do want to mention that this entire video is not a voiceover. I will be coming on and speaking about halfway through. It's just on day 1, I didn't speak much until the end of that clip.
Is it in your room?
Where y'all run to?
Okay,
I did accidentally let go of one of the cabinet doors after I unscrewed it. I don't know what I was thinking about, and it fell. No one got hurt or anything like that. It was just like, it just fell. Like, no one was there right behind me. My niece looks like she's kind of close to me, but she actually wasn't. She was far enough away where she wouldn't have gotten hurt. So, but oops, just a little oopsies. That's okay. That's normal. Things happen. We didn't die. That's the most important part.
Okay, so I ran into a problem. These nails here. These screws right here. Let's see, let me see if I can get it in focus. Focus it a little bit. Anyway, let me see. Where's my phone? Get my phone so I can get my flashlight. These screws right here are pretty corroded. I don't know if you can see. Right here, I'm gonna go get my flashlight. My phone is on the couch! Or is it up there? I know. Clearly.
You got it in there.
Okay, so these, I don't know if you can see, but they're really, really corroded. And I can't take it off of here. Shine a light for me right there, buddy. Thank you, honey bun.
yeah, those are
See
too
this one?
tight.
and I can't get them.
Please look.
So I'll have to find out.
This is a mat vase.
I'll have to find out how to get it out.
Oh, push me.
Let's see if I can get the laser focus. Okay, you see? Yeah, you can see it better.
There's a set vase right there.
You see, right here, it's really corroded.
Yeah, we can't get that out.
And I can't get this out. So, and it's, I'm not allowing my bit to do it.
It's the big guns.
Yeah, okay. So I'll have to figure that out later.
Oh, that's my small.
Okay, so here you'll see me removing the drawers on the lower cabinets. I'm gonna be removing the drawers that held like our utensils and towels and things like that. So I'll be removing the drawers, taking off those lower cabinet doors, and passing those to my niece as well. She's such a great helper. Every time I'm doing a project, she's always right there wanting to help out. So, of course, I allow her to, because why not? Yeah, so I'm sorry that the camera is a little blurry at this on this clip. I do apologize about that. I didn't recognize that it was out of focus, but everything goes back to normal after this. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this last clip here and get to the next part, because I mean everything is pretty much the same. I just taking off the drawers, taking out the drawers, and yeah, that's it until I get to our next part, which you'll see where I turned off the water and the electrical so that I can detach the sink.
Phase 2 of demo happening now. The walls, the upper cabinets are gone. Just gotta get this tall cabinet, take out this witch pellet, and also we've cut the power to take out the vent, and then also the water has been turned off. Good morning. Today is basically day 2 of the demo for the kitchen. I am heading over to Lowe's just to pick up some electrical tape because I just realized I didn't have any when I went to try to take the garbage disposal out, when I unplugged the garbage disposal. So I just need some electrical tape. I also need some end caps for the electrical wires, and then just probably gonna get a crowbar just to finish taking off the countertops. It's becoming a little bit difficult, but we'll see what I get. I'm just gonna head into Lowe's, and then after Lowe's I'm gonna head over to my dad's house to try and borrow some a circular saw, because I don't have one of my own just yet. So I'm gonna borrow a circular saw from my dad, and or he's gonna give me another blade for my reciprocating saw. Oh, here goes 7. Here goes 7 for $2. That's all I need. Do I need electrical tape? And then I just need the caps. Here we are. Just get these caps. I'm not 100% sure of which ones I should get. And I honestly don't really know the difference. But the wires aren't that big, so I will get this one because the wire's pretty small. And then I'll get, I guess I'll try to get this one just to see if this is what I need. Hopefully I'm not making 1,000 runs back to the store. Okay. I already have wire cutters and things like that. I'm gonna borrow some more things from my dad's house, so you'll see when I get there. I just need to go find a crowbar really quick, wherever that is. They're mostly over here. So that's what I have. Let's see. Ah, I found the hammers. Let's see, and a prybar. These are how much? I'm not really sure what size I should get. Maybe this 30-inch one should be okay. Let me see it. Wow, that's huge. Maybe I'll do a 24. 24-inch crowbar. That should be enough. This one right here. We'll see. It's $9.98, so not too bad of a price. But we will see how this one does. If not, then we'll have to get another one. Okay, so I just left Lowe's. I'm all done. I paid exactly what I wanted to pay. Actually a little bit under. I only wanted to spend about $20 in there. And I spent $18, so it's really, really good for the little stuff that I needed. I know I'm gonna have a bunch more stuff to get. Hopefully the stuff that I got is correct. Hopefully this crowbar that I got works for the countertops. So I just needed to take off the countertops. I had a little bit of time getting the top cabinets out because I just had like this molding remover thingamajig. So I had a little bit of time getting it up, but I did get the cabinets off, most of the cabinets off with that. I just figured today, since I'm free and available, I just go over to Lowe's and grab that stuff. I did hand sanitize my hands before I jump back in my car. Now I'm just gonna head over to my dad's house. Oh, sorry, covering the camera. Now I'm just gonna head back over to my dad's house. And not back over, but over to my dad's house and get some things from there. So we shall see. And then we'll head back home, go ahead and get started with the rest of the demo, and then hopefully we can finish that up today. Well, at least getting the rest of the cabinets out. Hopefully we can finish. The goal for today is to get the rest of the cabinets. Sorry, speed bump. The goal for today is get the rest of the cabinets out. You guys probably can't see me because of my glasses. All right, be back. Okay, so my camera ran out of storage. Whoops. I put on my safety glasses. But I've started using the reciprocating saw, just cutting this part off so I can just slide this sink right on out. Excuse me, hold on, phone's ringing. Okay, so we've already started sawing. Going straight down this line here. Oh, sorry, Lexi. straight down this line here to meet this line, and then I'll be able to break this part apart and pull it away from the rest of the cabinets. I'll be able to then lift this countertop, this other side of the countertop off, walk that out, and then also to go ahead and finish taking this out, break it down, take it out. I'm just gonna continue going, and we will see how everything turns out. Left the window open, the door open, so we can get some light and some air in here. I don't know if this is gonna stay here. Probably not, because it's gonna be a lot of vibration.
Close your ears, guys. Close your ears. Here goes.
Okay, so I've cut that all cut up. Now I'm gonna go in with my crowbar and see how this goes. Hopefully I can get it off. Hopefully I can get the countertop off with this. I just have to move my camera off of there real quick. I honestly don't know how I'm supposed to pry this off here. So, oh, there we go. Well, that's easy enough. Literally just, aha. Soda!
You're strong to do that?
I got it. Hey, Lexi, hold the camera.
After you're human?
Just not sure I'm strong enough
To lift it with your hands.
to lift it. Let me put on some gloves.
Alex is going to take off the discounter thing, so she'll be back. I think. I don't know.
My other glove.
Nope. They're waiting for you. Okay.
It's not bad.
Don't poke my computer.
Just gonna throw it right here.
Wow. Can I see how it looks? No. Does it look ugly? Can you see? Oh my god! It's so oh, let's go!
That's
You taking the whole thing down? The sink! The sink! The sink!
Oh my god, ew.
Gross. I'm fuming. Shush. Amanda, shush.
Fingers in the way. First of all.
Okay, so now I need to unscrew these little valves, untighten these up. Can you see? Can you get close in there for me, Lexi? I just need to
Take off that nail right there.
untighten this valve up here, not this, but this part right here. That's tight. So I can loosen it off and just slide the sink right off at the top.
She needs her tools. You lift it up. These are all our tools. You bought it because they're real.
I should be able to use this to get it off of there. If not, then I'll use one of these. But we'll see. We'll see what we can do.
There's a fork. Where's the fork?
You're in here with no shoes on. You too, Alexis. You have to put shoes on.
Okay, hold on. One sec. I'm gonna go. Sorry.
There we go. Boom.
I see you. Oh, you're moving it. You got a text.
Take it out. It's not a text, baby.
Never mind.
Okay, and we've shut the water off last night and allowed the sink to drain, so the 5/8 one is the one that worked well for this. 5/8.
Okay.
Just trying to get around the garbage disposal here.
This is what she has.
There's a little water coming out. It should have all drained, but that's alright. I'm sure the water is still on. Oh my goodness. Oh, we turned this all off. Oh shit. Okay, it's actually it's not
Don't
turned off.
spray me. I don't want to be wet.
So the water's still running there. Tighten this up.
You don't want to cut. You don't want to take off that water thing. It'll be sprayed out.
Alright, okay, as you can see here, if you get up close, the water is still running down from there. I've turned the valve completely to the right, but it's still running. This one has turned off, but this one has not. So, alright, so as you can see, we finished taking out everything over here. We took all of the sink out and things like that. Last time, at the last clip, you saw that this was leaking. I did end up calling my dad because I was not sure how to fix the problem. So we ended up just shutting off the water from the main water line for the entire house. And then this right here, Mira, if you come over here, this right here, this is the, what is this thing called again? Compression angle stop. Yeah, this is the compression angle stop. We had to replace it. We replaced it, the old one. So, oh, we also had to cut part of the pipe with the pipe cutter, with the copper pipe cutter. So we cut this part off because it was soldered on. You can see some of it is still, you know, right here. So we can get this to fit perfectly. So it's slightly shorter. This pipe is slightly shorter than this one, which doesn't really matter because we're gonna end up changing it anyway. This is just a temporary fix for right now, just so that the water could stop leaking, because the old one needed to be replaced. I don't even know where. Oh, it's in this bucket of water. I'm not touching it. But the old one looks like that. But this one didn't work. So this is a brand new one. Replaced it, removed it, water stopped. I was able to pull the sink straight out, and now everything is in the backyard, waiting for bulk trash pickup. All right. So when you come back next time, stay tuned for part 2 of the video so that you can see me take out this drywall here, because that'll be the second part. And then also I'll be lifting up some of this flooring here and replacing some of the floorboards that need to be replaced in here. So thank you guys for watching today, guys. You guys stay cool, stay warm, and we'll see you next time. Hey, did you guys get a chance to subscribe to my channel yet? If not, click the link down below. Do it. Do it. Go do it now.